Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is really slowing down. We are down $1.70, 0.23%. We closed at 732.39. Post-market, the numbers are a little bit off. What does this look like on the chart? So we are still above 723. That's the good news. We are still above 723. And we are really hitting resistance right here. So we have 3 candles in a row that could not surpass. And I'm gonna put it at 740. So 740.71. Let me check this. 740.71. This is red. 740.71. Yeah, so this is definitely a resistance. It's not hard to put resistance and support. You just need to look. Look at this one. This candle has a high of 740.39. This one has a high of 740.97. And this one in the middle, 741.99. They are pretty much all at the same place. So I'm just going to put this resistance. This is a local resistance. We are definitely slowing down. We had a nice run here from 651 to 732, let's say. And now the stock needs to pause. Will it stay above 723? That's the big question. You can decide, okay, it seems like the run has slowed down a little bit. I'm gonna just take some profit. You can take some profit. You can wait until it breaks 723 to take some profit. Or you can just wait and until it continues up, depending on your objective and your goal. So this is why I'm not telling you when to buy and when to sell, because this is really a personal thing. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to see if we don't understand something special. So this is the 9:30 candle. So we went up during the day. Then we hit our 740.71 and then we came down and we paused on 731. I should keep this resistance, this 740 resistance, only visible on the hour chart, because this is really something that's more short term. So we are stuck between 731 and 740.71. This is where we are at. Let's look at the indicators. In this case now, MACD has crossed over 2 days ago. And stochastic is really super down here. The last time stochastic was this down was when we hit the support. We are in this bullish channel on the hourly chart. And last time we had stochastic almost this low was right here when we went down and touched this diagonal support. Right now, we broke out of this diagonal support. And we are right smack on 731. I think with the stochastic like this and the fact that we broke out of this support, maybe we are going to retest 723. This is my feeling right now. Look at RSI here. So RSI was above this support here when we were in this little congestion zone, and now RSI is showing a weaker stock. It's showing a weaker stock while we are still within this congestion zone. So to me, I would be surprised if tomorrow we stay above 731. I would be surprised. 723, it's still possible, depending on if you are a short-term investor or long-term investor, or looking at the 1 hour chart or looking at the daily chart, you might choose to react accordingly. Let's go see the indicators on the daily chart. Stochastic is still super high, 89. Everything is super nice. MACD still good, DMI still good also, and RSI, well, still showing a little bit of weakness on this little leg up above 723. The RSI has never believed this part. Will it go down below 723? Then that's the big question. that's going to be it for me today. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month to get exclusive access to my weekend videos where I look at the weekly technical chart and the monthly technical chart this month. I do that every single weekend. You need to be a member to access these videos, and if you happen to be on the intertubes at the same time as I am recording them, then you can join me and we can chat. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.